Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin. In today's video, we are here at Tilted Mash. We're here at this car event, car show with Hard Park, and we're gonna be checking out some of the sweet rides. We got a lot of different rides out here in comparison to last time, so it should be pretty cool. So let's check everything out. Some Miata with some over fenders, that's pretty sick. This is a Mini Cooper with a hardtop. I think this is a convertible. Yeah, I can't tell. I'm not really a Mini guy. You know I love my BMWs. This is an interesting wrap combination. This is an interesting little Toyota. Is this a Yaris? Yeah. So this is a Yaris that they chopped up. Yeah, it's a Yaris truck. It's a Yaris that they made into like a Butte. This is cool. Nice little turbo right there. Oh, it's got the work wheels and everything. These are beautiful. God, I love work wheels. They look so good. Yes. I'm not playing with the Workmeisters. And we got the R32. That's pretty modified there. You got the nice little turbo. At least this one has a little turbo screen, like that little net thing. I feel like when it's like purely open like Ninjas, I'm like, dude, you could just like soak up anything and just pump up your turbo. I love these cars. Maybe one day when I have more subscribers, I can get that car. Would you let me get that car? This car, yeah. She's like, no. Yeah. Oh yeah, what about this car? Would you let me get this car? So this one's cool. So he's got the MSC intake and the forge. And these are known to kind of crack with the plastic pieces on the stock ones. But I am a savage and I'm just going to wait until that blows up. So we're not going to go ahead and do that right now. So I believe this is the, yeah, this is a launch edition because the steering wheel is red and the interior is red.
Yeah, you go around the building, you enter in right here.
Nice little Trans Am here. I think these are the OG ones with the LS1s. And a cute little Miata right over there. Oh, it's a Toyota Chaser. That's cool. Ooh, it's a Chevelle. Nice little poly intake manifold there. Yeah, very spacious. Well, they were definitely built for V8, so that would make sense.
Oh, there is a police car.
Okay, so this is an EK9 hatchback. I'm gonna give you a second to kind of process it. So it's a hatchback, but what's wrong with it? It's got 4 doors. So they basically chopped off a piece of a sedan and then fabricated it onto the body. So to the untrained eye, this looks stock, but they did a pretty good job. It looks like it did come stock. And the door panels line up pretty well. And they don't make 4-door EK9 hatchbacks. And this actually came out really nice. I can't tell. Well, over here you can kind of tell. But very nice. That's sick. All right, so I told the wife to get one of those black Broncos right there. You want to get a white one and put an OJ sticker on it?
Yeah.
The juice, the juice, the juice.
The presumed vehicle of O.J. Simpson is still traveling very slowly northbound.
Okay, so I kind of want to check this out. I'm not too familiar with what this is. Oh, it's a Triumph. Very interesting. Definitely old school. I wonder what year this is. I like the fitment on this G8 here. This is cool. This is nice. I gotta see this old Honda Civic here. My cousin used to have one of these. It was a baby bluish-ish one. These are clean. It's interesting. It's got like these little shades inside, like internal louvers. You guys playing? Be nice, Mickey.
I hope so. So you don't like it when someone snips you, huh?
Yeah, man. See, this is why I love the car community, man. Like, you've got to have balls of steel and a lot of courage to be bringing your car out, and it doesn't matter what it is. This is actually cool. The fact that he has a hood open and everything. That's fun. But that's dope. Don't matter what car you have, as long as you're proud of it. I respects it. Put some respects on his name.
Put some respect on my name. You understand me? When y'all saying my name, put some respect on it.
There's a cool little charger here. It's an interesting wrap. It kind of looks like a Mayan Aztec wrap. I actually like that. This is a VIP style Lexus here. Very nice flush fitment here. I miss my E36, guys. Oh, I miss it so much. That's a clean bird. Ugh, whose car is this? So lame. It's a fucking BMW here. So this is different. It's got some red caps on here. This is really cool.
Oh, no, they're nice.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah.
It's pretty compact too. You don't want one of these? You want a Miata, huh? You'd rather get a Miata than this? I'm not gonna argue with her. It's her car anyways, but I don't disagree. I mean, yeah, a Miata's pretty sweet too, so it is what it is. Alright, check this out. I don't even know what this is, but it looks like an old school gangster Mafia car. Oh, is it? Well, it looks like it's a Chevy. Wow, look at that interior, guys. Wow, this thing is clean. It's got the roll-up windows and everything. Everything in here is all mechanical. They did a really good job. New leather interior, everything. Wow. Old school, man. This is old school. 100%. Well, that's old, but I mean, this looks a lot more modern than the actual shell body itself. That's beautiful. Beautiful car. Justin, send it to Redline, man.
Oh, big day.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
guys.
I'll take you in the video, man. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. So again, this was hosted by Tilted Mash in coordination with Frenchie, Hard Park, and yeah, it was a pretty good meetup. Nice and cool cars out here. So that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, follow me. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, guys, remember, respect your elders. Peace.